Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we are here on the daily time frame. I don't really want to spend much time on the daily chart. We discussed the Bitcoin daily time frame in the last video. Nothing has changed since then. Just one noteworthy development. I made you aware that this B wave here could test the trend line from above. You might remember this trend line. It was a previous breakout trend line. Price broke out. And is now retesting the trend line from above, so around 97,700 as short-term support. And then from there, we could start a C wave to the upside. Not much happened overall. I mean, people starting to panic. I mean, honestly, it's still all in the range. You know, if you know, this is still all part of a range, and we are still above support, way above support on the daily time frame. So nothing has really changed. Only the smallest microstructures, not even there. Okay, we don't even have a change there. It's just that the price dipped back into the micro support area that we defined. Okay, so yeah, it's not everything can go up all the time, right? And we are in an area where we're actually just waiting for a signal that a major top has formed. Now, I don't expect it yet, not without a signal, but, well, I shouldn't say I don't expect it. We do expect a signal. We are in a topping region. But on the smaller time frame, I'd like to see the price go up a little bit higher. Let's say it like that. But from a macro point of view, we are in a topping region. The price has fulfilled minimum requirements to complete the entire rally from the 2022 low. It would just look best with one more high. All right? Okay, so that's still something we need to consider. We are in a larger topping region. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here, we are obviously still tracking bullish scenarios. What would be good is if the price could hold above the 92,665 level. This is the support area. We've been watching it for the last week or so. The idea is that we are now in a B wave correction or a wave 2 correction, which unfolds as an A, B, C structure. The B wave itself was an A, B, C, and the B wave in the B wave was a triangle, so it couldn't get more complex than that. But the focus is now on that C wave down, which started up here on Friday. The first signal that the direct breakout to the upside didn't happen or wouldn't happen was a break below our signal line. I think it was around 103K. So the price then dropped quite quickly all the way down to 97K, 97.5. And has since recovered a bit after reacting to the support area and after reacting to this trend line, which I just showed you on the daily time frame. So I've copied that over to the smaller time frame. Resistance is between 101,540 and 99,500. The move down could be in 5 waves. It's only 3 waves at the moment, so one more low might happen. It's not absolutely needed. If Bitcoin forms one more high now, we've got 5 waves and above resistance. So the price has now reached support. So we are waiting for a signal that a low is in. But with a 3-wave move up, and if the Bitcoin price continues to respect resistance, there is no confirmed local low in place. This is the sell-off I expected already last week, but the price just moved sideways. You might remember that I said last week that the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq had fulfilled a 5-wave move up. So we're watching for a pullback, which could affect crypto. But Bitcoin moved just sideways all week. So basically it was a lost week, you could say. But now that pullback is happening. But with that triangle, a direct breakout to the upside became possible. But we are taking the move down into the support area, right? So it would be good if Bitcoin could stay above 92,665 because it would keep the overall bullish expectation alive. And it would support the thesis that a larger degree 4th wave correction finished on the 13th of January. So overall, all I'm doing now, I'm watching for the price to either break above 101,540. That would be a signal. But the situation is unchanged as long as the market stays below 101,540. We're now in an area where a low could form, but the move down looks somewhat incomplete. One more low would look best. But if it's a WXY structure, the low could already be in. Okay, but then we need a signal again, you know. We need a signal anyway, even if the move down was full, if the C wave was full, even then we would need a signal, right? We can't assume the price is turning around just because a wave count is full. So, as I said, it would look best with one more low. It's a 3-wave move down. Bit of panic in the market at the moment, but really Bitcoin is only down like 2% today, including yesterday's dip. We talk about like 6-7%, which is normal even in bullish markets. So that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.